What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to participate in this X1 network. So this is a network by OKX and Polygon team. So guys, I don't want you to miss this airdrop. I want you to follow my step-by-step guide. So the first thing you are going to do, I have some guides here that can guide you on how to participate, and we are going to do it live. Okay, so there are so many tasks you need to do on this testnet. So without wasting much time, let us diverge to the business of today. Remember, if you are here for the first time, my name is Miracle. I create content on how you can earn money online as a crypto trader, as an affiliate marketer, and anything that resonates with online income. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of my videos. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here is to click on this Safari Fusat. Okay, so you need to click here to get some Ethereum testnet. Okay, so if you want to do that, you come to your browser, you click, you paste the link to this browser. So I believe some of you know how to do it. Okay, but for some that don't know how to do it, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can go about it. So make sure you have your MetaMask available, and make sure your airdrop wallet is available. Okay, so click on copy your wallet, you paste it here, and you click on not a robot. So if you don't have accounts with these people, make sure you have accounts, make sure you register with them and have an account. Okay, so for the sake of time, I will not be able to show you how to register. I believe you can just go and do that. So when you are done, click on send me ETH. So guys, the ETH Fusat has been sent to my wallet successfully. Okay, now let us continue our business. So the next thing to do is step 2. So you need to copy this link. I'll make sure these links are available in the description of this video. So copy this and connect your wallet. Okay, connect wallet and add network X1. So let us go and do that. So you paste it in your browser, you continue, enter. So here you click on connect wallet. Okay, you click on connect wallet and you will approve the transaction. So the network has been added successfully. Now let us go to the third step. So the third step says you should meet on Sapolia network. So head to this site, connect your wallet, and meet all available token from Foxsat list. So okay, so you click copy this. You go to your browser again, you paste the link and you enter it. So here we have two options. I recommend you to use this one. So you click on meet. So here you need to connect your wallet. So we already have, okay, we don't have OKX app. So we need to install OKX app. So let me quickly do that. Or we can use MetaMask. I think there is other. Let's use MetaMask to save time. You click on next, you approve all the transactions. The maximum you can claim is 10 OKB. So let us just type 10, then you connect your wallet again. So they have given us successfully, that is 10 OKB. So the next thing is to click on this OKB again. So you do the same thing on USDC and others. So you can see you can claim 100 USDC, type 100, you connect wallet, you approve the transaction. This has been successfully given to us. Okay, so the next thing is to go and do USDT. The maximum is also 100. You click on 100, you connect wallet, you approve transaction. You can see that it has been successful. Go back again, you click on DAI. The maximum is 100 as well. You type 100, you click on connect wallet, you approve the transaction. This has been successful again. Okay, so I think the last one is this. The maximum you can click is you can claim 0.1. Okay, so you click on connect wallet and you also approve the transaction. So guys, it has been successful. So we are done with this stage. Okay, so let us go back to step 4. So this is the step 4 you will meet from OKX network. Okay, so let us copy this again. Let's copy this. So you copy this, you load it here. Now we want to get this. This is what we want to get. This is what we want to get. So you click on get. We want to get 0.2 OKB. So you click on get 0.2 OKB. So you see this thing, you drag it, you make sure it's at the center of this. Can you see now? Make sure it's at the center of this. So when it's there, you release it. So successfully queued 0.2. So it has been successful. Queued. Okay. So let us go back to this. We are in step 5 now. So you copy this one again, copy this link. I'll make sure these links are available in the description. So send all minted token from Sapolia to X1. So let's quickly go and do that. Okay, this one has been successful. Okay, be transferred. Okay, that's good. So let us load this step link again. Now you need to build, you need to, let's check again. I said send all minted token from Sapolia to X1. Okay, so this is Sapolia right here and this is X1. So all the token you have collected so far, you need to bridge it to X1 testnet. So let's start from each. We have available balance of 0.494966. So let us bridge 0.2. Okay, so you click on bridge, you confirm your transaction. Okay, this one has been transferred successfully. So you go back again, you click on DAI, you do the same thing. So we have maximum of 100. You can just select 20, you click on approve and you confirm the transaction as well. So this is what you will do to all the remaining token. Okay, this one has been successful. You can see it right here. So the next one is, let's go for USDC. Okay, you can also use 20. So this is how you will do it. I'm just doing everything so that you're able to get it right. So you click on confirm and you also approve the transaction. The Ethereum faucet we claim is not enough. Okay, so and in order for us to claim it, you can see that is what it's saying. So in order for us to claim another one, we have to wait for, remember we are in step 5. We're already in step 5. You can see we're already in step 5. So you need to go back and go and claim this. Okay, this faucet we claimed is not enough. It's not enough. So when you go back to this faucet, you need to go and claim. And before you can claim, you need to wait for 24 hours. Remember, we have claimed today. But what you basically do here is to, the first step is to bridge. You bridge from Sapolia to Testnet. You bridge all these tokens. We have successfully done ETH and DEI. So you also do the same thing to the rest. So the next thing is this step 6. Step 6, okay. So you also bridge from X1 to Sapolia. Okay, so it's just vice versa. So this one is from Sapolia to Testnet. This one is, you just click here. You'll now be able to bridge from S1 Testnet to Sapolia. So you also do the same thing to all these tokens. You do the same thing to all these tokens. So this is how to participate in this airdrop, guys. So when you are done, that is so. So let us try this OKB. So let me switch to, you switch your network to X1 testnet. Now you can see we have 0.2. You can use 0.11 or 0.01. Okay, so you click on bridge, you click on I am active and you click on confirm. You can see that transaction has been confirmed. So guys, this is what you will also do to the same thing. You can see here we have not bridged, we have 0.0000. So this is what you will do to all these ones, This is what you will do to everything. So when it is time, this testnet will take up to 2 days for you to confirm it. It will take up to 2 days. So if you view all your transactions here, you see all these ones you need to claim. So when you claim all these ones, you will be able to bridge from X1 to Sapolia. Remember, the first thing we did is to bridge from Sapolia to X1. So this Sapolia, you will need to claim them when all these ones are ready. So when you claim everything, you will now be able to do X1 testnet to Sapolia. So I believe you all understand. So when you claim everything here, you will now have all these tokens. These tokens will be available just like this one. These ones will be available. So it will take you 2 to 3 days but for you to complete these testnets. So when these ones are available, you can now bridge them from X1 to Sapolia. So you now bridge them one after the other. So when you are done with that, that is the end of the testnet for now. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you have any challenges, make sure you follow us on Facebook and also join us on WhatsApp for questions. Okay, so the link will be available in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.